We are back, ladies and gentlemen. It has been a hot minute since I've done any sort of lightsaber video, even more so showing you guys some brand new sound fonts. And today, we've got some bangers, mate. We've got 13 brand new sound fonts. If you want anything from today's video, ladies and gentlemen, link in the description to everyone's websites. And lastly, before we get the Sabertrio, which is what we're demoing everything on today, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to see the lightsaber playlist with all of my lightsaber goodie videos, check it out in the comment section, pinned to the top. Let's do this. And of course, we're in October now, ladies and gentlemen. Spooky season, so let's start off with a nice spooky font.
My name is Patrick Bateman. I think my mask of sanity is about to slip.
It bloody is, mate. If you ain't seen American Psycho, go and check it right now. Reload now.
Keep your eyes open.
Keep your ears open, mate. That ignition was disgusting. This is made by One Sith. Just a hella eerie like hum. There's pretty much nothing there. Really smooth. I'm gonna assume once I give this a nice swing, it's gonna be something nice. Oh yeah, mate, come on. Is that just, yeah, he's just smashing his face in, mate. Let's go. Get that chainsaw out, baby! Cut him up! This is fire, mate. Let's go, mate!
I killed Paul Allen with an axe in the face. His body is dissolving in a bathtub in Hell's Kitchen.
Mate, Christian Bale, big up yourself, man. Damn, he's got different, like, power-offs, man.
Where did you get that overnight bag?
Bro, that knife at the end, disgusting. Let's go, mates. Big up Babu Sabers and more. Let's check this out. Goku sound font, Kaioken. Come on now.
He's got me. What can I do?
Let's go, man. That is so sick. Man, I effing love Dragon Ball Z, Super, Dragon Ball, not really GT. Favourite anime ever, mate. So this is something special. You guys know I love the Goku Black one, Trunks, Broly, Gohan. He's done pretty much everyone now. We've got more coming up. Bro, let's go, man. That was so sick, bro. Sean Schimmel's voice literally cracking, brothers. He's screaming Kaioken times 10. So sick, man. Just, that's a hella fitting way to introduce Vegeta, man.
I belong to the upper echelon of the most elite warrior class the universe has ever seen.
Big man facts. Come on, Vegeta.
You'll spill no Saiyan blood today.
Yes! This is insane, man.
There's no way you can stop my gallic gun!
Yes! Yes, mate. Get the final flash out. Come on now.
Big Bang attack!
Brother, all my neighbours are probably thinking, what the fuck is going on?
Blood. My noble blood spilled by the sheer luck of such trash! You morons.
Let's go, Piccolo. Yes! Get that special beam cannon out, baby. Come on. This is like the weirdest sounding one, man. Really sick, though. Come on, Piccolo, do something. By the way, if you're a Piccolo fan, you better have seen Dragon Ball Super Superhero, the new movie. Well, not really new at this time, but check it out. It's a banger.
I think that got the point across.
Jesus. I think this is called Burst Kaiba. J DeLorean. Let's go, man. Damn. That was... Jesus. Hold up. Brother, J DeLorean is moving mad with these fonts, bro. Let's effing go, mate. Oh, yeah, yeah. This is... He has this, like, style. I don't know what it's called. But they all kind of like this, but they're so different. And I'm a big fan, man. I gotta admit it. Always hella responsive on the bad boy Sabertrio, Aaron. Oh, yeah, yeah. Just... Right, this sound one's really sick, man. This is very, very sick, man. A bloody seismic charge or something. Bloody sick. And we've got another one. Check this out. That retraction is absolute filth. So I believe this one's called Eve. Let's check it out. Whoa, that is so loud, brother. Alright, let's calm down a bit now. Whoa, that's dark. This is bloody sick, bruv. Jesus! Come on! Man, these are, yeah, today's a fire video, mate. Everything so far has been a certified banger, mate. Yes! Damn. Yeah, this is an absolute mad thing, yo. Bro, these retractions one more time.
I'm Anakin Skywalker.
Alright, so these next big boy bunch are all from the sound god himself, Kyberphonic. He's redone a lot of his prequel stuff, so this is just your basic Anakin Skywalker.
Jedi business. Go back to your drinks.
Yes! Just the bloody classic, mate. The blue with the red button, you know it's sick. Do you know what's mad, yeah? I can, like, just hear these sounds in the movie. Yes, mate. Oh, damn. You guys know I'm a sucker for these quotes, man. And, yeah, and we got loads more, mate. Check this out.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
So this is Anakin when he has the green saber, I believe, in episode 2, and he fights Mr. Dooku.
And the life taking now.
Yeah, just for that bit, yeah, it is. And, can we just hold up, bro, one more time? I can just see it in the bloody film, bro. It's so sick. It's actually so sick that he's taken the clashes from different bits, even though, like, if they would just wanted to, like, cop out on it, could just put any clashes and no one would really know. But glad, like, Kyberphonic and all the sound drop makers, to be fair, that are on this video, they're picking unique things or things from, like, the anime, actual specific things that are different to every character, like what Babu done, and I can notice it straight away. Same with what Kyberphonic's done, man. Like, I can tell, just because I played the blue one a minute ago, I can tell the clashes are totally different, and I know a lot of people would probably, like, cut corners and just put the same clashes and everything, which I think is absolutely dead. Just realised it's not just when he fights Dooku, I apologise. He fights it in, like, the pit where all the Jedis are. He has a green saber then as well. Come on now. Damn. Yeah. Damn. And you know, Kyberphonic loves them quotes, bro. Behold, ladies and gentlemen, the Tusken Terminator. Come on now.
And not just the men.
Oh no.
But the women.
Oh no.
And the children,
oh,
too.
Damn. Now, ladies and gentlemen, everything normal until just slaughter them, bruv. Die. 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 I want to hear these quotes, man. Get in the bin, you stupid Tusken, bruv.
Obi-Wan Kenobi.
This is Obi-Wan, episode 1, I believe.
Master, destroy it!
It definitely is. Oh, just the proper classic ignition. I don't think I've, like, demoed or, like, showed you guys this many Jedi fonts in a long time, bruv. I got the droidtica noises. Yes, that's what I want to hear.
Qui-Gon Jinn.
Qui-Gon. This is my first ever Qui-Gon font, ladies and gentlemen. I've never owned one. Let's go.
The ability to speak does not make you intelligent. Now get out of here.
I mean, damn. I think half of the people on Twitter need to hear that, mate. Yes. Just one more. Hold up. That is like... Whenever I think of lightsaber ignition, that is the one that just pops in here, bro. Real talk. I know a lot of people have been asking for Qui-Gon. I'm glad Kyberphonic's finally done it. Droidicas again, very nice.
Matrix don't work on me. All the money.
Ah, you dodgy bastard. Oh, yeah. Is that where he force pushes the droid? Too sick, bro. Yes, boy. Kyberphonic, as always, the quotes are very sick.
At last we will have revenge.
So this is the brand new, updated version of Darth Maul.
Tatooine sparsely populated.
Now, I'm going to be honest, ladies and gentlemen, I didn't actually like this font for a long time. Oh, that sounds very sick. There is some big man bass in that. I'd imagine this would be very sick in a double-bladed, man. I could put it on my Empress Palpatine, but I got no excuse to be honest. I could have just put it on there. As I was saying though, over time I've learnt to appreciate this font. It's actually really sick and like totally unique in the world of Star Wars. Ooh, I like that. Yes. Is that Qui-Gon dying? That is bang out of order, bruv. Bro, these quotes, man. They're just fire, bruv. Pure fire.
I'm the living god of speed.
This is God of Speed by Syndicate Custom Relics. If you're a DC fan, you already know what's up, man.
There can only be one god of speed.
Let's go. That was filthy. Hold up. One more time.
You can't kill a god.
Yes! I want to hear. Oh, very bassy, very deep. This is fucking sick, bro. Ooh, that tip drag is filthy!
Now you feel the real power of speed.
Let's effing go, man.
You still can't comprehend what you're feeling. Never anger a god.
I'm so glad the quote's on it, man. It just makes everything better, bro. I swear down. One last one.
I am not impressed.
Yes, baby. Very sick. I am impressed. That has been 13 brand new sound files, ladies and gentlemen. If you want anything, check out the description. I will list every single person's website. You can go there and check it out. And thank you so much for watching. Big up you guys. I love and appreciate you all. Again, you want the lightsaber stuff? It's in the playlist, pinned in the comment section at the top. And I'll see you in a bit. Peace.